Norfolk Center. Norfolk Center 265 from Charlotte, North Carolina to Memphis, Tennessee. Cars. Southbound Track 265 from Charlotte, North Carolina to Memphis, Tennessee. Intermodal.